Hi, I'm Matt. Welcome to eSpares. In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace the brush bar on a Dyson stick vacuum. If your brush bar is no longer rotating, it will result in the vacuum not picking up and it will need to be replaced. Always work safely. Disconnect the appliance before you start the repair. I'm going to begin by removing the motor head. To release the brush bar, you simply need to follow the instructions on the side of the motor head, and using a coin or a flat-headed screwdriver, simply turn into the slot to release the cap at the top and push the brush bar up and lift out. Two different ends of the brush bar, and you can see where the bottom of the brush bar fits at the bottom of the motor head. So simply drop it in like so and refit the cap, again using a flat-headed screwdriver or a suitable coin. Make sure it's locked into place. So replace the motor head and give it a test. So there we have it, how to replace a brush bar in a Dyson stick vacuum. Give this video a thumbs up if we've helped you, and subscribe for more handy how-to videos. Find all the spares and accessories you will ever need on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.